Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazingly well. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different that I've never really done before, and I think I want to start incorporating this more into my channel because I do get so many questions. So I think these types of series would be really useful for a lot of people that want some comparisons or just want just an idea of what's good, etc. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite go-to face masks and scrubs that I'm loving right now, things that I'm just completely obsessed with, that's embedded into my skincare routine, and things that I like to obviously swap and change, like scrubs and face masks, but these are products that I am just loving right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up is two products that I've recently been trying and loving, and these are by a brand called TEAMI. They're the green tea facial scrub and the detox mask, which is a green tea blend. These are like a combo package. I usually exfoliate first and then I add the face mask on after, and my skin feels amazing. Like, it's insane how amazing it is. You may have seen it on my Instagram, which I'll post here, which I uploaded today. I am loving them. I find them really great, as I have quite an intense Sunday skincare routine, and I think they're really great incorporated into that, but also you can add them into your routine separately. I really like using the exfoliator when I've got a lot of makeup on, if I've done a makeup video, and I like to use the mask when I feel like I need, if I'm looking a bit dull and grey, it's really great for that. Them are really great for hydrating, exfoliating, clearing out your pores and getting rid of any nasty toxins. I think they're also really great to obviously tightening your skin, which I need. I'm getting a bit older, I need. So I am obsessed with these. They're just so lovely. Let me show you. So this is the clay mask. It's lovely to just apply this when you're getting into the bath. It's very like a ritual self-care moment. And this is the scrub. Both are really lovely. You can actually get 25% off with the code that they give me, which is Newson25, which I'll pop here, and I'll add it in my description box below, as well as where you can buy these products. They do a variety of different products at TEAMI, but I've only used their facial scrub and clay, and I couldn't recommend it more. It's so nice. Another scrub that I love is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask by The Body Shop. You've seen this on my Instagram probably numerous times. I've also made Gary put this on his face because men have to detox too, I'm telling you. So this doesn't look so pretty, but it sure makes you look pretty. Like, it's so incredible on your skin. It's actually probably one of the harsher ones out of the face masks that I'm showing you, because of how it makes your skin zing. Like, it really does get into your pores. So it's a little bit harsher on your skin, but it's not necessarily in a bad way. It just really cleanses, gets rid of the dirt, really makes you feel fresh and new. I love it. It's probably one of my all-time favourites I've ever had. Gary purchased this for me as well, so it's also, you know, love it because of that. So there's that one. Next up, you know, is one of my absolute faves as well. I am obsessed with body blends. They are like amazing at doing like skin products. I think they're amazing at making you feel good. I love this face mask. It's their pink clay mask with Australian clay. It's just so nice. It reminds me a lot of the Sand and Sky, but it's not as harsh on your skin as the Sand and Sky. So if you've got more sensitive skin, I would really suggest their pink clay mask, because it is really, really nice. It makes your skin feel clean, kind of really gets all the toxins out of your skin. It's soft, it makes your skin feel smooth, and just it's lovely. It's a really lovely self-care, self-love face mask. Next up is another face mask. This is by BYBI, and if you don't know BYBI Beauty, I'll be shocked. This is a I can't never say it, AHA face mask. It's the acid gold one. It comes with a little brush, which I think is just adorable. And this is what it looks like. It's not that pretty, but it's definitely gold in a tub. It's a bit like slime that goes onto your face and then dries down, and then you just wipe it away. It's really, really, really nice. It's one of those face masks that make you look so glowy after you've kind of removed everything. It really cleanses your skin. It really makes your skin feel soft and smooth. It feels like you've just had a really good wash. Like, that is how I can describe using this face mask. I do like to use this face mask after I've exfoliated. That combination of exfoliating and then adding this on after, I think there's something in that. It's not heavy on your skin, it's not really harsh either. So when you've exfoliated and obviously you've really scrubbed away all the dead skin and all that, all the toxins, it's really nice to apply quite a gentle face mask on after that. And this is beautiful for doing that, and it also just makes you feel wonderful after. So there's this. Also, you can get 20% off BYBI Beauty products. Can't get it off, I don't think you can get it off bundles or gift sets, but you can get it off all the other products. So I'll put my code here. I think it's Roxanne 20, but I'll confirm, and then I'll add it into my description box below for you as well. So there's that. And finally, this is a bit of a combo that I've been trying lately, and I've been doing this for a few months. I call it dual masking. I don't know if that is actually a thing. If it's not, it now is. What I usually do is take my Pixi Fortify Firming Eye Patches, which are my, like, they look like silicone eye patches, like those. And what I do is take a face mask. I'm really loving the Nivea Q10+C Anti-Wrinkle and Energy Sheet Mask, and this is really, really nice. It's so hydrating, which is what I really like, because especially in really hot weather like this, I feel like you need something that really hydrates you. This is really lovely for that. It's got loads of serum in as well, so it's literally packed full of juice. So what I do is I'll insert the clip. See what I mean? It works so nice. It's so lovely. I did it this morning, which is just because because I like to do it before I go to work, before I apply any makeup, before anything, because if I'm having like a stressful day, or I know I'm going to have a stressful day, I kind of like to give myself a bit of pampering before. This is an amazing sheet mask. This is probably not for everyone because obviously it's anti-wrinkle. So do get a sheet mask that obviously works for you, but this is a really nice one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this rather quick video for me, explaining some of the amazing products that I'm loving. Honestly, every single one of these I have tried and tested, and I just love so much. You need to find a good scrub, and you need to find a good face mask, and if you can find one out of the ones that I've shared with you, then amazing. I'm glad I've helped. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!